everyone, this is Antoinette from smartneedle. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share our brand new snowflake applique toppers. These adorable toppers feature 3 different snowflake designs, each with its own cute face and personality, perfect for adding a touch of winter magic to your home. You can make them using patchwork fabric for that cozy, scrappy look or with regular fabric for a simple, elegant style. Either way, they turn out absolutely beautiful. They come in 5 hoop sizes, so everyone can join in the fun, from small hoops to largest projects that really make a statement. Let's get stitching and bring these frosty friends to life. Okay, let's get started. Oh, a quick reminder, I just want to let you know that all my embroidery designs can be stitched in a single needle embroidery machine or a multi-needle embroidery machine. Okay, hoop 1 layer of tearaway stabilizer and run your first spool color over the stabilizer. Now we're going to cover the whole embroidery guideline with 2 layers of cotton batting. Keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the cotton batting to the project. After the tack down line is done, we're going to trim all around it. After the cotton batting has been trimmed, cover the whole cotton batting area with a pattern fabric of your choice. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that pattern fabric to the project. The following spool color will do the first applique guideline as the video shows. This step is totally optional. You can use a single piece of fabric for your applique or create your own patchwork fabric for a more texture and colorful look. For this project, I made a simple patchwork using 4 different fabric patterns, each cut into 6 by 6 inch squares. Arrange them in any order you like. Have fun mixing colors and prints. Once you're happy with your layout, take the left squares and place them over the right side squares with the right sides of the fabrics facing each other. Now we are ready to prepare our patchwork for stitching. Now we are going to draw a diagonal line right through the center of our fabric squares, from corner to corner, just like you see in the video. Then, on each side of that center line, draw 2 additional lines, each 1/4 of an inch away from the middle line. These will be our stitching guides. Next, take your fabric to the machine and stitch straight along those outer lines. This will help create those beautiful diagonal seams that make our patchwork look so neat and professional. As you can see, my stitch lines are all done. Now take your scissors or rotary cutter and cut right along the center line, just like I'm showing you in the video. Once you have made your cut, open up your panels and press them flat. And look how cute those patchwork sections are starting to look. Each piece will have a beautiful mix of fabrics that will make your snowflake topper extra special. Now press all your seams flat, just like I'm showing you in the video. Next, trim the little corners at the seams to avoid any bulk. This will help your patchwork lay nice and smooth. Once that's done, rearrange your fabric panels to make sure all your prints are facing the right direction and look exactly how you want them. Now take the right side panels and place them over the left side panels, with the right side of the fabric facing each other. Then stitch a straight line along the edge as I'm showing you in the video. As you can see, I already stitched my 2 straight lines. Now go ahead and open your panels and press the seams flat, just like I'm showing you in the video. Once everything is nice pressed, arrange your panels in the layout you like best. Then place one side over the other, with the right sides of the fabric facing each other, and stitch a straight line along the edge as I'm showing you in the video. You'll start seeing your beautiful patchwork fabrics come together. Now open your entire panel and give it a good press to flatten all the seams, just like you see in the video. You can now see your complete patchwork fabric. It looks beautiful and ready to become the base of our snowflake applique. Next, let's add heat and bond to the back of your fabric. Do this quickly and evenly as I show you in the video to make sure it's adhered smoothly and your applique is ready for the next step. Now we're going to remove the paper backing from the heat and bond, just like I'm showing you in the video. Once that's off, place your patchwork fabric right over your applique guideline, trying to match the center of your patchwork with the center guideline on your hoop. But do not worry, doesn't have to be perfect. Keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down line to attach the applique fabric to the project. After the tack down lines are done, we're going to trim all around it. Just make sure when you trim the center circle, as you see there, leave 1/4 inch seam allowance away from the stitch line. The following spool color will start stitching some embroidery details as the video shows. Now keep running your machine for the next spool color. This will stitch the second applique guideline. Once that's done, cover the entire guideline area with a piece of fabric of your choice. Make sure your fabric already has heat and bond on the back so it fused nicely to the project. Then run the next spool color, which will create the tack down stitch to secure your applique fabric perfectly in place. After each stitch, carefully trim all around the shape to remove the excess fabric, just like you see in the video. The following spool color will do a very quick quilting pattern right at the center of the applique fabric. The next spool color will start doing the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of that applique fabric. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool colors. It will start doing more embroidery details as the video shows. The following spool color will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of that applique fabric. If you like to add a hanger to your project, it's super easy to do. Just cut a piece of fabric about 3 inches wide by 6 inches long. As you can see, I'm using a leftover piece from the fabric with the heat and bond, so nothing goes wasted. Next, fold the edges twice, give it a quick press with your iron, and then stitch a straight line all along the length of the fabric. And that's it, your little hanger piece is ready, quick and easy. The following spool colors will do more embroidery details. As you can see, will be the face of the snowflake. Now it is time to add the hanger to the project. Just fold it in half and place it as the video shows. You can hold it on place with a piece of paper tape. Now we're going to prepare the back of our topper. Cut 2 pieces of fabric long enough so that when you fold each one in half, they will cover half of the topper. This will form the back panels of your project. Fold both pieces in half with the right size facing out. Place the folded edge towards the center, making sure they overlap by about 2 inches. This overlap will create a clean envelope style opening on the back once we finish. Keep running your embroidery machine for the last spool color. It will do a tack down stitch to attach all those fabrics together. Now you can go ahead and unhook the whole project. Then cut around the stitch line, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. As you can see, I already cut all around the stitch line, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now turn the whole project inside out and shape those curves really well with your fingers. Once that's done, you're going to press the whole project on the back and on the front as the video shows. And here it is, our topper is almost done. Just a few final touches left. This part is always my favorite, adding those special details that make each project stand out and feel extra handmade. As you can see, I decided to add a hand stitch all around the edge of one of my toppers. It gives it that beautiful handmade cozy finish that I absolutely love. For this, I use an upholstery needle and some cotton perlet thread, and simple stitch all the way around the edge, just like you see in the video. You might wonder why I didn't do this part with the embroidery machine. Well, I already tried it, but it flattened the soft puffy edge of the topper a bit too much, so I decided to do it by hand instead, and I just love the texture and charm it adds to the finished project. Look how cute they turn out. I just want to fill all my table with these snowflake toppers. They are so fun and festive. Now I'm adding a little leather side tag for that beautiful finished look, and it also makes the perfect spot to hang a pretty wooden spoon. It's such a simple detail, but it adds so much charm to the project. You can find the links for the spoons and leather tags right below in the video description in case you would like to use them for your own snowflake toppers. And here they are, all of them together. Aren't they just amazing? So colorful, vibrant, and full of personality. I stitched them in several hoop sizes so you can see how fun and versatile they are. The largest size worked beautifully as a table mat, while the smaller one made perfect accents for any space, mug rugs, tree beds, pot holders, and much more. It is so much fun to mix and match different fabrics, patchwork, prints, or solids to give each snowflake its own special look. Everyone turns out unique and absolutely adorable. Now it is time for our Smart Needle Sweepstake giveaway. I am so happy to be giving these goodies to all of you as a thank you for being such an amazing supporter of the Smart Needle family. Your love and encouragement truly means the world to me. For this giveaway, I'm gifting a sewing tool organizer perfect to keep all of your notions neat and handy, a bright colors embroidery bobbins tube from Smart Needle, a mini extra cute scissor, small enough to keep on your keychain or in your project bag, and a beautiful Christmas tree print fabric from MODA, just perfect for your holiday projects. Good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for being part of this creative journey with me. Sweepstakes rule: no purchase necessary. To enter, simply leave a comment below under the comment section in this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and have your subscription set to public so I can verify your entry. Giveaway is open to US residents only. Entries close at midnight on October 30th. The winner will be announced in an upcoming Smart Needle videos. YouTube is not a sponsor of this giveaway and is released from any liability related to this content. Prizes cannot be exchanged or redeemed for cash, and winners must be respond within 7 days of announcement to a new winner will be selected. Thank you so much for participating. And look how beautiful these snowflakes turn out. So bright, festive, and full of winter cheers. I hope they inspire you to fill your home with these adorable toppers and lots of handmade love. Thank you so much for stitching along with me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will help me a lot. Stay creative, stay cozy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.